Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of how to do the alibi trend. This video is on how to make the sound. If you haven't seen part 1, make sure to check that out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get into the video. Screen record this next part.
I just killed a man, she's my alibi.
You should have this. Click audio. Extract. And done.
I just killed a man, she's my alibi. She's my
Just edit the length of the sound. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate it. And thank you for everybody, even like and subscribe at the beginning of the video, even if you didn't have a great day. Bye guys.